Today we're doing a little modification for our daughter's rodeo horse trailer, and we're going to add a RoadTech TPMS system. This is a brand new system that's hit the market. It's a lot of talk, it's clean, it's simple, has better signal. So we're going to use this, we're going to put it on her rodeo horse trailer so we don't have to worry about the horses going down the road. Super excited about trying this out. So stay tuned, we're going to unbox it and then see how it does.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
Apparently farm life's pretty hectic around here. You got chickens, you got the kids running around, you got all the things. So we're gonna see how this does. I'm gonna open it up real quick, and then it's just gonna be the sensors. We've all done a lot of different TPMS sensors. You've probably seen a ton of videos on them, but I'm super excited because this is a brand new product. Okay, this is pretty cool. So simple, easy, sleek. So all I gotta do is pair this to here, and it should come pre-charged in essence. And then we're going to set the trailer because she's going to probably add sensors. She tows with 2 different vehicles, so that's why we're focusing just on the horse trailer at the moment. We'll just go ahead and add these sensors, and then she'll have it set up. So whatever vehicle she goes into, she can actually move the monitor over. All right, so go to parameters, connect. We'll say vehicle 1. So now this just shows up what she's going to be towing with. And now we're going to automatic code learning on vehicle 2. So this will be the front of the vehicle, this will be front of the vehicle, and then this will be the passenger front, passenger rear, driver's front, driver's rear. Now we're just going to simply take this sensor and we're going to learn. So now we have this sensor on the tire that I desire, and now I can just hit next and do all the tires. It's really quick. It's really simple. Don't forget to use the lock. They have these lock nuts that are on here. So don't forget to use the lock nuts on the back side. They also include these rubber O-rings, and the rubber O-rings are designed to keep when you change out batteries and stuff. They're designed to make sure that everything is sealed up appropriately. Once it's tightened on there, they actually include a little wrench. This wrench is great because now you can tighten up that back nut to the back of it so they don't come loose. It's pretty straightforward. And that completes it. What we've learned is that all of her tires are low, and now she's got to put air in her tires. So now we have peace of mind that the horses will be fine. And then you can jump in from each vehicle when you're towing. See how that works? Good stuff. It's quick too. All right, if you enjoy this, go ahead and subscribe because I try to do some upgrades, tips and tricks as we're doing stuff. And as she continues to upgrade her RV with things, it'll give us some other items that we can show you along the way. I was finishing up the video and I was going to go put air in my 1-wheel tire, so I was walking over to the truck, that's where I'm going, to grab my air compressor. And it dawned on me on something. Hold on, let me put you down over here. Ooh. Via air. In the video, I mentioned that Brianna needed to air up her tires, and Via Air is this amazing air pump. Well, guess who has it? Techno RV. Then I got to thinking, Techno RV's been around a little while. They just went through a whole ownership change, and the owners now are RVers on the road, RVing, and actually doing a lot of the different shows. So you might see them at some of your rallies or some of our huddles or things like that. And I got to thinking, I was like, you know, why buy things on Amazon? Because it's convenient. But the fact is, if you're looking for a TPMS sensor, if you're looking for like our water system on our rig, RoadTech, if you're looking for a Garmin dash cam, if you're looking for an air compressor, okay? So they have all of these things, and they're buying new innovative products to bring to their website so that we as RVers can have it for community. The benefit is you now have a place to call if something's not working. If your sensor goes out, if you're at an RV show and you run across the Techno RV booth and you can say, hey, my sensors weren't working, they can give you tips or how they can repair them. It's actually back to the old school ways of having somebody to talk to. In the world of AI and all the other stuff that's happening, sometimes I just want to have somebody answer my question, especially if I'm at an RV rally or something like that. It would just be nice to be able to talk to somebody about their products. So Techno RV is still bringing that hometown, value of actually feeling like you're part of something, like, they care about their customers. So not that this is a huge promo video by any means, but by golly, I just don't see it very often when it comes to product anymore. We're so used to going to Amazon. It's just nice to see a name, a face, a company that we're used to seeing, and people that own a company that understand us on the road, and they're looking for other products that they can bring in. So you should see some of the cool things that they've added to the website now that it might improve your travel. So there's my little plug about Techno RV. Just really like them. And if you have a chance, go to their website, check it out. I'm super happy that my daughter with the horses has a little more peace of mind. Most of us watched our videos. We lost a tire at 65 miles an hour and it literally popped off. A tire sensor, the TPMS sensing unit, what happened was the heat started happening and all kinds of stuff, but that tire popped off. You got to pay attention, especially with live animals. So, but whether it's just your normal RV that you're traveling with, or if you're going into the horse arena area and you're carrying your live animals behind you, the ones that you love and spend thousands of dollars on, that peace of mind is worth, looking at the new RoadTech system that they just came out with. And you can buy it only in two places, Techno RV Innovation, or you can look on Amazon, but then you don't have anyone to call. So there you go. There's my little plug. All right, enjoy. Back to your normal RV life scheduling, and you'll see our next adventure on our Sunday evening videos. Hope you enjoyed this.